They're here! They're here!
They're here? What do you mean, Jose?
My little tomatoes.
That's great, but what are you gonna make with them?
My pepperoni sausage pizza sauce. It's my favorite.
That's awesome. I also love pizza.
Who doesn't, am I right? Let's go!
Now that we have the pizza dough, we just need
To roll it. Now that the dough is ready, I want to do what pizza men do.
No, Jose. Let me show you how it's done.
Now you made a roof pizza. Just what we needed. Jose flavored pizza.
I'm sorry, Jose. Time for the topping. Here are the tomatoes. Now, the main ingredient.
Pepperoni sausage. Oh no, we're out of pepperoni. How am I going to make pepperoni pizza without pepperoni?
Relax, Jose. There are other alternatives that are as delicious as pepperoni sausage. Beetroot pizza.
Not beetroot.
Watermelon pizza.
No.
You won't be able to resist this one. Bean pizza.
Yuck, no. I want pepperoni pizza.
Jose, that's all we have.
I know. I'll grow pepperoni.
Wait, Jose. Pepperoni sausage doesn't grow on trees.
Ta-da! Here's an almost pepperoni sausage pizza.
Tomato pizza?
I discovered that pepperoni sausages don't grow on trees, but almost pepperoni sausages do.
Wow, it's delicious.
I love my almost pepperoni sausage pizza. I'll even make another one, Jose's recipe.